It's my late grandfather that got me into gardening. He was a hero from the Second World War, fighting for our country and protecting our future generations, giving us this freedom that we have today. So I think that's one good motivation for me with gardening, but there are many other benefits that can motivate all of you as well. Number one for me is the benefits to the environment and sustaining our own planet. So for example, growing our own organic food and vegetables at home, we can actually save loads of money, and there's many benefits to our own health and to the environment. If we grow lots of flowers, wildflowers for example, that the bees really love. Bees are so important to our global economy and our daily lives, more than we realise. The milk, the cheese, the chocolate that we eat, a lot of that comes from our cows. The main food that our cows eat is grass. The pollination from the bees is really key to growing that grass. 1/3 of the food we eat is linked to pollination from bees. 80% of our flowering plants is linked to pollination from bees. So number one, doing gardening is really good for our environment and our planet. Number two, it's a really great stress reliever, and actually doing gardening, being outside, reduces the cortisol in our brains. It's also a natural antidepressant, which means more feelings of happiness, more smiles, less sadness, especially in times of isolation, financial hardship. It also boosts our immune system, being out in the garden, from the plants and exposure to dirt. Fitness. 3 hours of gardening at a moderate rate is an equivalent to a 1-hour gym session. Brilliant. Lots of lifting, moving around. Being kind to your mind is another great benefit of gardening. Gardening can reduce our risk of dementia by 36%. It's also something you can do as a family. You can enjoy quality time together. You can teach your children important life skills, looking after our planet, nurturing, self-sustaining ourselves through growing organic fruit and vegetables. Something we can have fun doing. And last but not least, it's that fantastic sense of achievement you can achieve. You are creating a visual improvement every week from the flowers, the shrubs, the herbs, the vegetables you can grow at home. So it's a really good kind of physical and visual success, something you can feel proud of, something that can motivate you to do more, to get outside more, to do more exercise at the same time. Many benefits. So everyone, get out gardening. Watch my video tomorrow, because I'm going to release a really simple set of hacks on how to get started with your gardening.